Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer, model BPWM 20W, is a compact top-load machine designed for apartments, dorms, or RVs, boasting a 2.0 QFT's capacity that handles up to 15 LEBs of laundry. Key features include a rust-resistant stainless steel tub, transparent lid for monitoring cycles, and an intuitive LED display. It offers 6 versatile wash programs: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, with adjustable load sizes and run times from 15 to 59 minutes. Mobility is enhanced by built-in rollers, side handles, and leveling legs, plus included quick connect sink adapter, water inlet, and drain hoses for effortless setup to any faucet. Operating on cold water only, it's energy efficient at 300 watts. Pros shine in its user-friendliness. Setup is a breeze, often completed in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for small spaces where full-size washers won't fit. Quiet operation minimizes disturbance, and the variety of cycles ensures effective cleaning for delicates to bulky items, earning praise for reliability in budget models. Many users report 2+ years of solid performance without breakdowns. At around $400, it delivers value, reducing laundromat trips and saving time. However, cons temper enthusiasm. The cold water limitation hinders stain removal on heavily soiled loads, and the lint trap demands emptying after every use to avoid clogs. Controls feel clunky and unintuitive for some, while build quality reflects its affordable price. Plastic components may wear faster than premium rivals, with occasional reports of leaks or imbalance issues after a year. Drainage setup can be finicky, requiring careful hose positioning to prevent backups. Overall, ratings hover at 4.3 to 4.8 stars across 800+ reviews, suiting occasional users but not heavy-duty households. For portable convenience, it's a smart pick. For longevity, consider upgrades. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.